Hi everyone, Pat here with Advanced RV Centers in Okeechobee, Florida. Fifth wheel time, let's go. 2018 Pioneer by Heartland. Want to just point out right away, it's got a brand new roof membrane. Excellent condition. It's a rear bunk model. Nice little fifth wheel here. Let me take you around. As you can see, we got our awning out here in good condition. Body condition all the way around is excellent. No water leaks. The membrane got replaced because it had a tear. They caught it immediately and it was done. LED light strip there on the patio. It's a 50 amp unit with 2 ACs. Got the ground control leveling. Bear with me here, one-handed. There's your outdoor kitchen. It is missing a fender skirt. Nice little rear storage option that you don't see on many fifth wheels. Features 2 slides. All your slide seals are in good shape. A little banged up here. Other than those 2 things there on the fenders, the unit is tight. You go ahead, and it does have the gooseneck adapter there. Just take you inside. All right. Nice little rear living floor plan with the bunks. Somebody's gonna like that option. It's missing a TV. Nowadays, these TVs are so inexpensive. We can negotiate past that. I believe this fridge is fairly new. Still has the plastic protective liner on it. It's in excellent shape, very clean. If I had to guess, it is new. 3-burner cooktop. You got an oven down there, microwave oven above. Your dinette's going to turn into a sleeping arrangement, so all said and done, you're sleeping 5 to 6 people in this unit. There you have your center bath. Nice tall shower there in the corner. Queen size bed up front. All the cabinetry is nice and intact, no foul odors. Nice little closet space there. It'll make somebody a nice unit. Easy to tow. Okay, well, just a quick review. Again, my name's Pat with Advanced RV Centers, 561-719-9774. Talk to you soon.